Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei Pura X and Pura X Max. Let's see this fully video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Huawei Pura X comes with 6.3 inches LTPO2 OLED display, and the Pura X Max comes with 7.7 inches LTPO2 OLED display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Kirin chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity studio speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.